Welcome to another episode of Shootin' Shit TV. I am Adam, your host. Here's another box. Here's another unboxing video. In preparation for the fall and winter season, I am expanding my collection of ammo. I have some ideas for future videos, and I'm trying to find ammo that's unique and interesting. And I picked up some more right here. My previous video, I showcased some of these guys. I still got to go out to the range and shoot it. That's the very next video I'm going to post. But this is another ammo shipment that I want to show you. Very interesting stuff here. So we're going to open it up together. I already know what it is, obviously, but you guys don't know what it is. So anyway, here is the box. We're going to open it up. We're going to get rid of the box because we don't actually need this. And we're going to take a look at what we have here. So this is going to be exciting because this is ammo that I have never had. I've seen this ammo before in the past. And you can see right there as it's listed, I don't know if you can read it, but it says 7.62 by 54 yellow .80. Not sure what that means. 80 cents a round. But I got, maybe it's 80 rounds. I don't know. I think it is 80 rounds. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, 80 rounds. That's what I ended up getting. So what's cool about this and why that says yellow is because these are yellow tip Bulgarian heavy ball. Oh, we got an open one right here. And we got these guys here. So these, a couple countries made these. I believe it was Hungary or Hungarian and Bulgarian versions of this ammo. This ammo was specifically designed for machine guns. This is what they considered heavy ball. I believe the grain weight is above 180 grains. So that's the heavy ball. The common stuff that you see today is going to be Russian surplus. It's going to be Romanian surplus. And it's going to be the silver tip. That was very common like 10 plus years ago. Dirt cheap, coming in spam cans, 147 grain. That's what you saw. Steel core. Believe these are also steel core. Again, I've never had these before, but this is what it looks like right here. Nice yellow tip. Brass case. Pretty cool. I'm not going to really go into detail what the head stamp says because I think it says something 55. Maybe 1055. You can hear the powder in it. So supposedly these are pretty hot and they have quite the kick to them. So what we're going to end up shooting these in is the Mosin Nagants. That's all I really have for 7.62. I am in the process of getting other rifles that shoot 7.62 by 54, but that's not what this video is about. So I heard these are also steel core. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, very much steel core. What about the case? Nope. Like I said, brass. So after shipping, I spent about $78 and change on 80 rounds. I know that seems kind of high, but again, this is pretty rare ammunition that you can't just find anywhere. So I'm sure somebody's going to post a video saying that I'm retarded for spending that much money. But again, this is a unique opportunity that I had to take. It was $53 before shipping. Hazmat shipping is pretty expensive, so ended up being north of $75. Not much north. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're good. We got a solid 80 rounds. Love the cool packs here. These are, I believe, from the 1950s, typically what you're going to see. But it's amazing how this stuff lasts, so long. And it's great to be able to get your hands on something classic like this. Now, I always see people posting comments on Reddit asking, is this worth the money? Is that worth the money? My take, and I'm sure you guys heard this before, if you have the opportunity to buy something, whether it's an SKS, any other, even a Nagant revolver, or any other C&R gun, or ammo, classic ammo, military surplus, it may seem high today, but just like standard ammunition, as we've all seen, the price fluctuates, and a lot of times it just goes through the roof, especially this kind of surplus. So I'm excited. This is going to be cool. Stay tuned for this fall. I'm going to take out both the guns. We're going to make a video with this, but this was just an unboxing video to just get a look at these classic surplus rounds from Bulgaria. Let me know what you think about these. And tell me what your experience is if you've ever shot these before. Anyway, thank you so much for watching another episode of Shootin' Shit TV. I am Adam, your host, signing off. Biatch.